guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Joy and this is my May diaries. I can't believe we are already in May. I'm sorry if this recap is a little bit dysfunctional. To put things simply, I am exhausted. I am so sleepy, so sleepy. Let's just start the month, okay? The 8th of May was actually such a good day. It was like sunny and warm, and Bella decided to surprise us girls and visit us in Byron because she had just graduated from uni with her graphic design diploma. I think that's what you have. Sorry Bella if I cooked that. I just parked, I'm in Byron. I'm about to go get some frozen yogurt and meet Bella and Chloe. Bella just graduated, so she surprised us and came to Byron today, which I had no idea. So we're gonna go to Waterfalls. Gonna go to the beach, but before we're gonna go get frozen yogurt. So I'm gonna go now. Exactly the same thing. They're around. We are making a kale salad again. Last time me and Bella were in this kitchen and I filmed it, we were making the same kale salad and we just really liked it last time, so we're making it again. Pretty much.
Sorry. I'll wait for my time.
No, let's do ingredients first. Heidi's. Excuse me, make the noise, girl. No, we're good. Okay.
Oh, the kale.
We got the kale.
This
we got
is
the
pretty
noodles.
much it.
You want soba noodles, spring onion, carrot, broccoli,
and then sauce.
Pretty much just detaching the kale from the stem.
Ripping off its limbs.
Oh, yeah. Give the stems to Jojo, honestly.
Okay, we will. The kale stales.
I mean,
all the leaves off the leaves.
Yeah. Kale stales.
So funny.
No, did you take it? Oh.
Girls are making food right now, so it's too smart.
Bella, so what's going on down there for you?
Well, I'm trying to find the compost where it's gone, but cutting.
I mean, I didn't.
Oh,
yeah. Ooh.
I'll get it.
She's a lady.
Oh, also, the toilet was so gross.
Where?
Just like, it was like moldy in the part that the
Bella
was supposed to be in.
I used all the sesame oil last night and that's the only soy sauce we have.
Oh, should we run and go get some more?
Probably.
Spa will have it.
The girls are gonna keep chopping, we're gonna go get some sauce. You know what's saucy?
Your face.
That's right.
Yay! That's what I was thinking, like, there's no lid.
Never having heard him speak about a mother. What did you do to that little girl? You kill her? He was too far away. I can tell that much to do her any good. You try and eat.
Definitely through the library.
We got the tempeh, we got the broccoli, we got the noodle salad. After dinner, me, Heidi and Bella decided to drive through the hills and just catch the last rays of sun. Don't come out.
Right, that's for us.
Thank you for sharing. What you see? What we see. I just farted, but we came out. Continued to, it's still coming out. Oopsies. Oopsies, guys. Little bit of fart came out. Head so tan. Feel it in my heart. I can feel it in my chest sometimes. Happy in my head sometimes. Feel it in my heart. Ooh. Yeah. 11th of May, me, Heidi, and Bella decided to all meet up and go to sunrise. It was actually a planned thing, but then the night before we went, we realized it was literally going to be so rainy in the morning. But we just decided to go anyway and just plow through, and I'm so glad we did because it was truly one of the most beautiful sunrises I've ever seen. Something about the clouds on the day just like literally gave the most beautiful colors and contrast. Like you just look at 360 and you just be like, oh my god, and there was a rainbow, and even though we got soaked, it just felt like a movie. Like it just felt so magical, and it was just so nice to be with them. of May, Bella told me she wanted to take me on an adventure. She didn't tell me where we were going, but she did tell me I needed to bring my swimmers and a towel. Okay. Well, so turns out Bella took me to Waterfalls, which I don't know how I haven't been here before.
You know Waterfall was where I was born?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Where? In the waterfall.
No, Waterfall isn't. It's a place.
Hey, what?
What?
What? How were you born here? Where?
Well,
in the hospital.
When two people have sex, a baby comes out, and wherever they are,
no, but
that's where
Bella,
you're born.
Where did you get? Where? In the house? Or
Yeah.
Did you guys used to live?
You look so sus.
You used to live here. I didn't know this.
For a year, only for a year though. I moved when I was 1 to Federal.
Federal. Interesting. A true wine born and bred.
Born and bred in wine.
Funny because I'd never been to that area around Wine, and then a few days later on the 15th of May, Chloe decided to take us on another waterfall adventure in the same kind of area, but to more secret spots that other people don't usually know about, but like super beautiful places. The first place she took us to, we literally had to walk through the bush for like 30 minutes in like the middle of nowhere. Like I did the walk and I could not tell you how to get there again. But it was just the most beautiful rock pools. However, by the time we got there, the sun had already cast over the hill, so we had no direct sunlight and the water was freezing. I somehow got convinced to jump off the waterfall into the water. I didn't get much vlog footage because I was honestly just so concentrated on like not falling over into the rocks, because honestly like within our like hike towards the like waterfall rock pool area, I literally was like the first one to like fall into the pond and get my shoes so wet. We were all just like shivering, freezing after jumping into the water, eating our sushi, and it was a pretty funny experience, but one that I will remember and I don't know, look back at really fondly. We ended up going to a few more waterfalls on the way back and I didn't get much content, but luckily my friend Dylan, who also is an amazing filmmaker, and I'll leave his channel link down below, he filmed some stuff. So here's a little bit more content from our waterfall adventures. We went like 8 of us. has had enough of the chorus. I thought this would be a good time to tell them about our challenge.
Oh, hello. Yes.
So
We're doing a challenge.
we are doing a challenge.
Physical
Challenge.
challenge.
So I go to this place called Hustle here in Byron. That's like a workout fitness center. Is that what you would call it? So they do like different classes. Anyway, so I have a membership to that and I love it there. And Heidi does that with me, so we usually go together. Anyway, now they're doing a challenge where you have to do 30 classes in 20 days. So for some reason,
We were like,
we're gonna do
okay.
that. We usually aim for 5 classes a week, and that's like
a
lot.
Yeah, we're like, we've succeeded in life if we can do that.
Yeah, pretty much. So now
And
that we have to do
How many have we done in the last 2.5 days, Joy?
5. We've done the same amount on a good week in 3 days. And
Not
our
even
bodies
3
are
days
feeling
yet.
it.
Yes, they are.
So pretty much to complete the challenge, we'll have to do like 2 classes a day for most of the...
Yeah, so about Monday
days.
to Thursday we have to do double classes.
Yeah. So anyway,
So cool.
we are dying,
Yes, we are. But still going strong.
but still going strong. I believe in us.
Yeah.
So I guess
Not
now
too
we
broken yet.
have the vlog to keep us accountable. If we don't make it, we'll have to let them know.
Like so.
So that whole challenge thing we talked about, nada.
We ended the day after.
We just finished our 5th workout, feeling great, and now we're gonna get a protein smoothie from Bear Blends
Yeah,
because
we-
we deserve it.
we deserve it.
19th of May, me and Heidi decided to have a really productive morning at Barrio, which is another cafe I really love in Byron. And we actually ended up getting so much done. We were there for like 3 hours. As you guys saw, me and Heidi went to a cafe this morning and just got some work done. Felt so good and productive. Guys, this challenge is breaking me. And it's been 3 days. I'm gonna try to do some exercises because I just want to feel better. Ow! Oh, that makes me want to cry. Ow. Oh, motherfucker, ow. 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 Send help. I did my 7th class of the challenge this morning, and I feel myself fading. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if I have a nap after I turn off the camera, because I'm pretty tired, but other than that, I'm really enjoying it, and fingers crossed we'll actually get through and finish this challenge. I am sending you all my love, and I will see you all very, very soon.